Hi guys, hope you are all doing well. Today we're gonna see how to solder an aviator connector to your cable. It's really simple and quick, so you just need a few basic tools as usual. So a soldering iron, some soldering wire, an aviator connector of course, also named GX16, and a third hand. That will help you a lot. People always ask me, why using a third hand? I don't need that. Oh boy. If you already soldered only just one cable, you know what I mean. For my few first cables, I didn't use a third hand because I didn't have one, and I just used some tape around my connectors and taped that on my table. But it was really difficult, so I invested in a third hand. It cost only 10 bucks. And it will save you a lot of time, also a lot of nervous breakdowns. So trust me, you really need that. So now let's dive into the technique. So turn your soldering iron, let it reach 280 degrees, and let's start. Put your connector on the third hand like this, and put some solder on each pin. I'm using a 4-pin connector since all Koil cables have 4 strands, so why using a connector with more pins? We don't need that. I'm going to start with the female part. So I'm soldering each strand following the diagram enclosed. So black, green, white and red. On each pin you can see some numbers. Here you can see, for example, the 1, here the 2, the 3 and the 4. So you will follow this order, that the black strand will go to the first pin, the green one to the second pin, etc. Now let's move to the female part of the connector. 4 numbers, 4 strands, but this time the numbers are not in the same direction, as you can see. 1 is here, 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. I'm repeating the same process on this female part that on the male part made previously. So first I apply some solder on the pins. And finally I melt the two together. Congrats guys, you made it! As you can see, it was really simple, and now you have a retro look cable for your manifestant desk. This aviator connector is the easiest detachable connector to solder, so let me know if you want me to do other videos on how to solder YC8 connectors and also some Lemo connectors, because they are a bit trickiest, but it remains pretty simple if you know the technique and if you do really small solders and not large blocks. As usual, let me know in the comments if you have any question. I will really be glad to help you. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in another video. Bye!